Hello students, welcome to Jenny's tutoring. This is chapter 28, Converting Units and Scale Drawings. Here we are going to learn formulas with units and fill in the blanks. Let's learn exercise 28.1. First question, copy and complete the sentences below. Okay. A question is, there are dash centimeters in 1 meter. First we learn the formula. 1 meter equals to how many centimeter? It's 100 centimeter. So just we can write 100 here. So there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Now B question is, a centimeter is dash part of a meter. Okay. So that means what they are asking? They are asking 1 centimeter value. So what is the formula we know? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So from the formula we are deriving 1 centimeter value. Okay. So let's take this 100 to the other side. It will be 1 by 100. Okay. So 1 by 100 meter equals to 1 centimeter. So a centimeter is 1 by 100 part of a meter. Okay. There are dash meters in 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer equals to, what is the formula? That is 1000 meter. Okay, so there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. Now D question is, a meter is dash part of a kilometer. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. From this we are finding 1 meter value. So what we have to do? We have to take this 1000 to the other side. So it will be division. So 1 by 1000 kilometer equals to 1 meter. So the meter is 1 by 1000 part of a kilometer. Equation is there are dash grams in 1 kilogram. Okay, so what is the formula? 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. Okay, so there are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram. Now, F question is, a gram is dash part of a kilogram. So, what formula we know? 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. From this, we are finding 1 gram. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to take this 1000 to the other side. So, it will be 1 by 1000 kilogram equals to 1 gram. So, a gram is 1 by 1000 part of a kilogram. Now, G question is, a kilogram is dash part of a ton. Okay, 1 ton is equals to how many kg? That is 1000 kg. So, from this, we are finding the 1 kg value. So, what we have to do? We have to take this 1000 to the other side. So, it will be 1 by 1000 ton equals to 1 kg. So, a kilogram is 1 by 1000 part of a ton. Next question is, there are dash milliliters in 1 liter. Okay, so 1 liter equals to how many milliliter? That is 1000 milliliter. Okay, so there are 1000 milliliters in 1 liter. Now I question, 1000 of a liter is dash. Now 1 liter equals to how many milliliter? That is 1000 milliliter. Okay. So from this we are finding 1 milliliter. So 1 by 1000 liter is equals to 1 milliliter. How we got 1 by 1000? We are taking this 1000 to the other side. So 1 by 1000 liter is equals to 1 milliliter. So 1000th of a liter is 1 milliliter. Okay. Now J question is, there are dash grams in 1 ton. So 1 ton is equals to how many kg? That is 1000 kg. Now 1 kg is equals to how many grams? That is 1000 grams. Now we are going to find 1 ton is equals to how many grams? Okay. So 1000 into 1000. So here we have 3 zeros. There we have 3 zeros. So totally we will get 6 zeros. So 1, 0.00000 grams. Okay, so there are 1.0000006 zeros grams in 1 ton. Okay. Which of the units below would you use to measure each of the following? Okay, they are given some units. We are going to use these units for the following. A question is your mass. Mass means what? It's a weight. We will give our weight in kg. Okay. B sum is the length of your foot. Okay, which is in the medium size. So we have to give it in the centimeter. Length, centimeter. Okay, weight, it's in the kilogram. Okay, your height. So length, height, breadth, everything will come under centimeter. Okay. D sum is the amount of water in a glass. Okay. So they are talking about the water which contains in a glass only. So that means milliliter. Okay. The mass of a ship. The weight of a ship. So it's definitely in ton. The height of a bus. Okay. Height. But what is that object? It's a bus, very big bus. So the height of the bus will be in meter, not a centimeter. Okay. G sum is the capacity of a swimming pool. Okay. It's a very big swimming pool. The capacity of this definitely will come in liter. Okay. H sum, the length of a road. Okay. So here that what are we talking about? The road. So the length of a road is kilometer. Here the length of our foot, that is centimeter. Okay. I sum is the capacity of the fuel tank of a truck. So fuel tank of a truck. So very big truck. It has a very big fuel tank. So the capacity will come in liter. J sum is the size of your waist. Okay, so that will be in centimeter. Third sum, write an estimate for each of the following using a sensible unit. Okay, so A sum is your height. So I just wrote 138 centimeter. We have to use the unit as centimeter. Okay. B sum is your mass. That is, mass means what? It's a weight. So your weight is 32 kg. Okay. So I just wrote 32, but we have to use the unit as kg. Okay. C sum is the capacity of a cup. So cup is a very small object, so it will contains only 400 to 500 milliliter. So approximately I wrote 400 milliliter. D sum is the distance to the nearest town. So distance, so that will come under kilometer. So 60 kilometer. E sum is the mass of an orange. Okay, so it will come in gram because we are talking about only 1 gram. So if the medium size of an orange is 130 grams. Okay. F sum is the quantity of blood in the human body. So how much blood we are having? That is 5 liter of blood. Okay. G sum is the depth of the Pacific Ocean. Okay, that is 15,500 kilometer. Okay, so we wrote kilometer. Depth, distance, everything is coming under kilometer. Okay, the mass of a car. Mass means what? It's a weight. Definitely will come in gram or kilogram. So here we are talking about a car. So it's a kilogram only. So how much I wrote? That is 1200 kilogram. Okay, it will come around 1000 to 1500. So I just chose 1200 kilogram. Okay, here sum is the capacity of a swimming pool. Okay, so swimming pool definitely will be big only. So it contains 38,000 liter. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.